I just got this Cutzy cutting board, and this thing is really nice because it's made of a 304 stainless steel that is food grade safe. This side is actually for cutting the meat, poultry, and fish, and we actually have a knife sharpener right here where you can just run your blade right in between. It's got a nice groove where you can fit that in perfectly, and there is a nice rubber grip around the outside, so it's not going to move. Now, if you flip it over to the other side, you're going to see that this has a nice, almost plastic material, but it's non-plastic, food grade safe, and this side's going to be good for cutting veggies. It also has a nice recessed little line going all the way around, which is going to catch a little bit of the juices and keep it on the tray, which is going to be really nice. And you're also going to get that on the same side. So this side's going to be really good because it's not going to show scratches very much at all, and you can put your knife on here and it's going to last a long time. You do not want to throw this in the dishwasher. This is going to be a hand wash only, but let's throw some chicken on here and see if we can get it cut. Using the knife sharpening function is so easy. You just have to put it in the side. It's really nice because it has that grip on the bottom, so it's not going to move. And you do get a lot of room to actually put the knife in. That is really nice. All right, so I got my chicken on here. Cut this up. Can definitely see that it's not scratching here at all. This is definitely scratch proof. Looks really nice after cutting on here with a knife. That sharpener on the side really did work. So overall, I give the Cutzy cutting board a 10 out of 10 because it's super versatile and I love the sharpener on the side. The fact that you can cut veggies on the one side and it's better for meat on the other really just makes it special for me. It really is going to help me in the kitchen. I highly recommend this. Go and check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.